It's a no-brainer that diet and exercise are both crucial to your well-being and your waistline, and that generally adhering to recommended guidelines is the best way to optimize your health overall. However, research is learning that to keep the pounds from piling up, the food choices we make may be more important than the amount of exercise we are doing. At a psychological level, weight loss and weight gain revolve around caloric consumption and expenditure. Because of this, it's important to understand the basics of calories. We gain weight when we eat more calories than we expand. In order to lose 1 pound of fat, we must create a 3,500 deficit, which can be achieved either through exercise or diet. It's true that exercise can give you an immediate surge of energy, but smarter eating throughout the day will fuel you with a steadier supply. The takeaway from all the information is that calories expenditure doesn't count for much, and human beings are generally terrible at estimating both expenditure and intake. Thus, it's good to maintain a smooth balance of both exercise and diet without overdoing either.